Good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. In the previous lecture, we have done the portrait of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes. So I hope each and everyone have completed the portrait of Shivaji Maharaj, and I have seen it, you have done it very nicely. In this lecture, we are going to do a craft topic, and in this lecture, we are going to do a craft topic, and the topic name is photo frame. Yes, we are going to make a photo frame with flower. Yes, I'm going to teach you two things today. I'm going to teach you how to make a photo frame and how to decorate this photo frame with flowers. So I'm going to teach you how to make the flowers also. Okay. So for that, the materials which you need is you need different colors of craft paper for making the flowers, and if you have any sort of cardboard waste boxes, so you can use all this. Okay, so here I've got a cardboard box, so I'm just going to cut the strips of that. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So till then, what you have to do is you have to need a scissor, you need pencil, eraser, scale, and your if you want, you can use your colors also. Okay, you can use your colors also. So let's begin with this. Just look at this. I'll just turn the camera. So just pay attention to this. Here I've got my craft papers. I'm keeping it aside. And here you can see this is the box I have got. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cut this box properly. Here first what you need is you need a cardboard, and what you have to do is you have to cut this cardboard. Okay, you have to cut this cardboard. So just look at this. Here I have got a cardboard. I'm going to use another side also. Just look at this. What I need is I need this pieces. Yes, I'm going to take the scale and I'm going to measure it, and I'm going to make the strips of this. Okay, I'm going to make the strip out of this. So here comes I'm making the line over here. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. So just look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need total 8 strips. Yes, we need total 8 strips. Yes, and after that, after you got the proper lining, what you have to do is you have to cut the strips out. Just look at this. In this way, you're going to cut the strips out. You can just observe this lecture properly. Okay, if you need help from your elders, you can take help of your elders also. So this way you need 4 strips. Okay, for the front, and 4 strips for the back. Okay, so here I've cutted 5. Now this is coming my 7th one. 5 I have cut it out. This is my 6th. Your measurement should be proper. Okay, this is the final one. Yes, so here I have cutted 4 total 8 strips. So what I'm going to do now is, just look at this. We are going to paste this in this way. I'm going to place it in this way and stick this in a square in this way. Okay, for that we need Fevicol. So here I have got the Fevicol. So just look at this. Apply the Fevicol properly. In this way you have to paste it. Okay, in this way you have to paste it, and then again take the Fevicol, apply it properly on this side. Okay, and then take the strip and just paste it properly. In this way you have to paste it. Just look at this. Here I've made a square. Yes, same way you're going to do it again. Okay, here I've made a square in this way. Just look at this. You can make another square. Same way we are going to make another square. Apply the Fevicol on this part properly. This way you have to apply the Fevicol, and this is how you're going to stick. Yes, so we have made 2 boxes. Just look at this way. We have made 2 boxes. Yes, after making these 2 boxes, what you're going to do is, after making these 2 boxes, you have to keep it in this way. Okay, but what you do, the second thing what we are going to do is, we are going to take one strip of this, the half sides strip we need. Yes, what you're going to do now is you can just cut this strip into half, and you have to fold it in this way. Okay, you can just fold it in this way, cut another half, and then fold it into half in this way. Yes, after folding it into half, apply the Fevicol. Yes, apply the Fevicol and stick it in this center. ओके, यहाँ पे सेंटर पे आपको चिपकाना है इस तरह. This way you have to stick it. Okay, सेंटर पे आपको यहाँ पे चिपकाना है. We are going to make a gap of this for making the photo to go inside properly. We are going to make this kind of strip. We are going to take and we are going to stick it so that we should get a gap. We are going to stick it in 3 sides. Okay, we don't stick it on the upper side. Just stick it on the 3 sides in this way. Okay, and then what you're going to do is we are going to apply the Fevicol properly, and you're going to stick the frame. Just look at this. This is the second one. What we are going to do is we are going to just paste it on this. Okay, so what happens, you will get a proper space from the upper part so that your photo should go inside. Yes, so just look at this. This is how you are going to do it. After you have completed with this, you can stick any decorative color craft paper for making the border. So here I have got a purple color paper. I have got. Just look at this. Here I have got a purple color paper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this strip out of this purple color paper. So I just measure the size. It's proper. And now what you're going to do, we are going to keep the frame aside. And here I have taken the scale. I'm going to cut the strip out of this. So this way you're going to cut the strips. Just look at this. Just look at this. Here I've cutted the 4 strips. Just look at this. And now I'm going to stick this 4 strips on this paper. Okay, for covering the for covering it, I'm using these strips. Yes, this way I'm sticking this strip over here. Just look at this, each and every one. Same way. Take another strip, place it upon that. And just look at this. In this way, you're going to stick it. Getting the another side. Apply the Fevicol properly. Take the strip. Just look at this. This is how you're going to paste it. This is how you're going to paste it, and this is how you're going to cover the frame. Yes, this is how we have covered the frame. Now, the most important part, we are going to decorate the frame. For decorating the frame, we need to make the flowers. Yes, so now I'm going to teach you how to make the flower. Yes, so for that, you need a craft paper. Till then, I'm keeping the frame aside. Now, what we are going to do is, you take a craft paper, okay? Any color craft paper you can use. You have to fold this craft paper into 4 equal parts. Okay, this way you have to fold the craft paper. And what you have to, when you open, you can see we have got 4 equal sides. So now we are going to cut this paper. Because what happens, the size of the craft paper is very big. So we need to make small flowers. Now, this is what I have done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this paper into half in this way. Just look at this, each and every one. Then again, I'm going to fold this paper into half. Okay. One more time, I'm going to fold this paper into half in this way. Okay. After doing this, I'm going to fold this. See, there is more open space over here, and there is closed side. I'm going to take this closed side and I'm going to fold it in this way. Yes, after I have done with this, what I'm going to do now, this is the open side. I'm going to cut the shape of the flower in this way. And when I open it, just look at this. You will get a proper flower. Again, I'll show, fold the paper in this way. Again, fold the paper in this way. Okay. Again, fold the paper same way one more time. So 3 times we have folded. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take the closed side and you have to just fold it in this way. Just look at this. Afterwards, I'm going to just flip this paper. These are all are the open side. Here I'm going to make a slight cut in this way. And when we open it, you will get a proper flower shape. Just look at this. Yes, in this way you are going to make some flowers quickly. Okay. 1, see again. Here comes your 2, second time, then third time, Okay, and then I'm folding this paper into this side. Okay, so this is the open side. Just cut it in this way. When you open it, just look at this. You'll get a proper flower. Yes, again I'll show. One, this is your two. Okay, then comes your three. Yes, after doing this, close the जहाँ पे आपका वन साइड है वहां से आपको फोल्ड करके इस तरह आपको वो चीज को इस तरह से फोल्ड करना है. And these are all the sides we are getting. From that side you are going to cut it in this way. Okay, and when you open it, you will get a proper flower. Just look at this. Yes, is that easy, each and everyone? Now I am taking another color paper. Okay, again I'm going to make the flower of this. As I've told you, take 2 to 3 different color paper and you have to cut this craft paper into 4 equal parts so that you can make the small flowers. So 4 equal parts. So we have made 2 to 3 flowers in this way. Same way you're going to do it again. Again, I'll show you. Fold this paper into half. Okay, so just look at this. After doing this in this way, fold it in 3 times and then fold this paper in this way and just cut the angle. Just look at this. And when you open it, you will get a proper flower. Yes. So this is how we have made 4 purple and 4 pink color flowers. And here I've got the frame. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this flowers. Okay, now I'm going to stick the flowers. So just look at this, each and every one. Take this flower, apply the Fevicol on the back side, and you can stick this flower in this way. Okay, one purple and one pink color I'm going to take. Apply the Fevicol and just paste it in this way. One pink and one purple. Same way. You have to do it alternatively. Yes, in this way you have to do it. Yes, in this way you have to stick the flowers. This way you have to do it. Just look at this. You have to paste the flower in this way. This way you are going to paste the flower. Yes, I've pasted it in this way, and you can see this space is remaining. So on that space I'm going to make the leaves. Okay, you can make some leaves, or you can make any another color flowers you can make, and you can stick it on that part. Okay, so here I'm you can use this kind of flowers. I've already made orange and yellow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it in this way. Okay, and this type I'm going to stick it. So here I'm taking the Fevicol and applying this on this part. Yes, this way you're going to paste it. Just look at this. Yes, this way you're going to make the photo frame. Yes, I hope each and everyone have got this. As I've told you, for using the colors, you can use the colors, or what you can do is you can just make some circles and you can just paste it on in the center. Okay, or you can take the color, or you can take the color and you can do it. If you want, you can cut the circles out and you can do it with the circles. So here I'm taking a dark shade. So here I'm taking blue. Here I've taken blue color shade, and this is how I'm making the Just look at this. This way you can do it. Yes, you can make the flowers in this way. And now, if you have green color paper, if you have green color paper, you can just make some strips. Okay, if you have some green color paper, so you can take the strips in this way. I'll just show you how to stick it. Okay, you can take this strips in this way, apply the Fevicol, and you can just go from the back, and you can just do it in this way. Yes, you can just stick it in this way. Just look at this. So it will give you a very interesting look. Yes, just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. And then what you have to do is you just have to what you just have to do is you have to just place the photo in the center. I'll just bring one photo and I'll show you how it looks. Just have a look, each and everyone. So I don't have a photo here. So I've got a box. You can just look at this. Yes, how your photo frame is going to look. Just look at this. Yes, just look at this. Here I've got one more photograph. Just what you can do, just look at this. Here I've got a photograph, and just look at this. Yes, each and everyone. Different photos, or yes, just look at this. Is that clear, each and everyone? Is that clear? Yes or no? So how many students have made this photo frame? Just how many students have done the photo frame? Just show me. see how you're going to do. Yes, very good. So this is the photo which I have got. You can just put it from the side. Okay, you can just put it from the side where I have not used anything. So this is the side which I've got. You can put the photo frame from this side inside. Okay, यहाँ से अंदर डालना है आपको. Actually the photo is bigger in size, so it will be bit disturbing. So this is how you're going to do it. Yes, so this is how you're going to do it. So just look at this. Yes, same way you have to do it. Yes, very nice, Atharva. Atharva, very good. So आपको जो फोटो है वो फ्रेम के हिसाब से आपको कट करना है and you can then put it inside. Okay, so this way you're going to decorate the photo frame. Is that clear, each and everyone? Is that clear? Any doubt? Okay, I'll just show you how to make the flowers. Just look at this. I'll just quickly I'll show you. This is your square paper. Yes, this is your craft paper. I'm showing you how to make the flowers. Each and everyone, just look at this. This is your square paper. Just have a look. ये आपका square paper है. You have to fold this paper into half in this way. आपको पेपर को ऐसे हाफ फोल्ड करना है. ओके, देन ये वाला जो साइड है ये कॉर्नर को इस कॉर्नर से मैच करना है. तो हम लोग फिर से एक और फोल्ड करेंगे इस तरह. Yes, this is my second time which I have folded. One more I am going to fold. ये कॉर्नर को ये कॉर्नर से मैच करना है. ओके, अब क्या करना है, ये होने के बाद यहाँ पे देखो बहुत सारे ओपन साइड है और ये साइड क्लोज है. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, ये जो क्लोज साइड पकड़ना है और आपको इस तरह आपको उसको फोल्ड करना है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू फोल्ड इट. यहाँ पे आपका स्पेस बचेगा. ओके, आपको इस तरह फोल्ड करना है उसको. ये देखो ये आपका पेपर है, इस तरह आपको उसको फोल्ड करना है. ओके, देन what you have to do is you can take a pencil. ओके, ये आपका ओपन साइड है बहुत सारे. You can take a pencil. From this corner you have to make a curve line. इस तरह आपको एक कर्व लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. And then take the scissor and you can just cut this shape out. Just look at this. अब क्या करना है, आप जब इसको ओपन करोगे इस तरह, you will get a proper flower shape. Just look at this. Is that clear, each and everyone? समझ में आया? सबको समझ में आया? Any doubts regarding the flower? Is that clear? Yes, you can take a screenshot of the frame. Just look at this. You can take a screenshot of the flower. Photo frame, you can take the screenshot. Yes, taken. In this way, you are going to make the photo frame. Is that clear, each and everyone? Again, I'll just show you. Just look at this. This is your photo frame which I have taught you. You can take a screenshot of this. Yes, I hope each and everyone have completed and there is no doubt regarding this topic. So complete this topic at your home. Do it nicely. Do it properly and decorate it nicely. and complete the busy bee book also. Okay, you have to complete the busy bee book topic also side by side. Is that clear, each and everyone? So complete this topic and we'll meet in the next lecture. Yes, Adarsh, very good. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye everyone. Take care. Do it nicely. Yes, very nice. Who is this? Avnesh, very nice. Good. Bye everyone. Others, very good. Yes, yes. Who is having doubt? Yes. Prathamesh, Manasvi. Prathamesh, just raise your hand. Yes. Unmute yourself. Prathamesh, what is your doubt?
Sir, after sticking the cardboard, what we have to do?
After sticking the cardboard, you have to cover the cardboard. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? आपको कार्डबोर्ड हमने जो ये कार्डबोर्ड बनाया है, आपको इस कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर ये देखो, ये पेपर स्टिक करना है, क्राफ्ट पेपर स्टिक करना है, ताकि आपका जो कार्डबोर्ड है वो कार्डबोर्ड नहीं दिखना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन मेक द फ्लावर्स एंड यू हैव टू स्टिक इट.
Okay.
आपको ये फ्लावर्स बनाना है और आपको स्टिक करना है. मैंने दिखाया ना आपको फ्लावर्स कैसे बनाना है. हेलो.
Yes, yes, sir.
ओके, क्लियर है अभी?
Yes.
ओके, जस्ट म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Manasvi, unmute yourself. Manasvi.
Sir,
Yes.
busy bee आर्ट बुक एंड क्राफ्ट बुक स्कूल मैजिका पर दिए है, वो उसका क्या करना है?
आपके पास बुक है, बिजी बी बुक?
नहीं सर.
तो इमेजिका ऐप पे आपको आया रहेगा ना, पीडीएफ फाइल्स आए
हाँ,
रहेंगे ना.
आया है.
हाँ,
उसका
तो वो
क्या
क्या
करना है?
वो आप देखो और आपके ड्राइंग बुक में बनाओ. जिसके पास बिजी बी बुक नहीं है वो पीडीएफ फाइल देखेगा और उसको क्या करना है, आप चाहिए तो साइबर में जाके प्रिंट आउट निकालो एंड देन यू हैव टू डू इट इन दैट. अगर आप उस पे कर रहे हो तो करो, या फिर नहीं हो रहा है उसमें तो आप वही टॉपिक आप सेम ड्राइंग बुक में करो, लेकिन वहां पे मेंशन करो कि ये बिजी बी बुक का टॉपिक है. ओके.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
ओके. ओके, बाय. टेक केयर.